Hello, smile. Привет, улыбнись. Today we will learn 10 phrases how to say goodbye in Russian. Subscribe my channel and turn on the bell not to miss my new videos. And now we start. The first phrase. Пока-пока. Bye-bye. Next phrase is увидимся. See you. До скорой встречи. See you soon. Удачи. Счастливо. Good luck. Увидимся позже. See you later. До скорого. Catch you later. До завтра. See you tomorrow. Хорошего дня. Have a nice day. Береги себя. Take care. Давай. Off with you. I want to pay your attention that all of these phrases are informal way to say goodbye. You can use them with your friends or in other informal situation. So which of these phrases is your favorite one? Now, not to miss my other conversational lessons, subscribe my channel. And that is all for today. До скорой встречи!